face in place, it drips like wax in candle space. Your pulse is static, your soul misfires. Names fall apart in funeral choirs. I draw your sigils in salt and light, trying to stitch you back to tonight. You're slipping through dimensions of pain, every memory fraying like veins. But I will not let the dark decide who survives inside. I'm threading your mind with silver frame, holding the pieces that won't stay named. You're breaking reality just to breathe. So I bend the stars so you don't stay with me. Don't fall apart. I'll build a heartbeat out of your scars. Even God's fracture under strain, but I'll keep you whole in the hurricane. Your dreams rot loud behind your eyes. Nightmares speak fluent suicide. Shadows wear your voice at night and whisper lies dressed up as light. Your handshake futures into dust. Your thoughts can't tell what's real to trust. So I bind your fear in moonlit thread and whisper life back through the dead. You're fading through layers of screaming thought, dragging worlds you never sought. But I'll bleed spells into your spine if it keeps you on this side of time. I'm threading your mind with silver frame, holding your pieces that won't stay named. You're breaking reality just to breathe. So I bend the stars so you don't stay with me. Don't fall apart. I'll build a heartbeat out of your scars. Even God's fracture under strain, but I'll keep you whole in the hurricane. You think you're poison, you think you're wrong, but even broken spells still sing strong. I feel your fractures inside my chest. Every scream you swallow, I manifest. If I